Good morning, everybody. It is March 29th, 2019. It's 6 o'clock. And the answer to your question is yes, I deleted the last video. I had a couple mistakes I wanted to get fixed because they adjusted them, okay? There was a 4.7, which they had at a 4.8 and downgraded it. Band of C. It's 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 near the coast of Honshu, Japan. That came in at 26 miles in depth. A 4.0 Gerardo, Mexico at 21.1 miles in depth. A 3.6 Salta, Argentina, and that came in at 130.4 miles in depth. There was a 4.1 Halmera at 109.3 miles in depth. A 3.8 Indonesia at 82.0 miles in depth. There was a 3.5 Alaska that came in at 28.5 miles in depth. A 3.6 Alaska, yep, you guessed it. They have it at 0 miles in depth. There was a 3.2 Chile at 80.1 miles in depth. There was a 2.5 Southern California, 18 miles southwest of Sealy, and that came in at 1.8 miles in depth. Now, there was a 4.2 off the shore of Northern California. That came in at 15.5 miles in depth. That was 13 miles southwest of Ferndale. A 4.8 Andreoff Islands, and that came in at 34.7 miles in depth. A 4.0 Oaxacan, Mexico, that came in at 34.7 miles in depth. There was a 3.9 Halmera, and that came in at 64.8 miles in depth. There was a 3.2, the Virgin Islands. That came in at 47.8 miles in depth. There was a 3.7, Band of C at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.6, El Salvador at 6.2 miles in depth. That's your morning report, guys. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. What do you think? You guys have yourself a great day.